One day, a young man named Jack was so hungry. He wanted a snack from the fridge. So he went to the kitchen and opened the fridge. But his fridge was empty. Jack had an idea. I will go to the supermarket and buy some food. Jack went to the supermarket to buy some fruit. He bought strawberries, blueberries, apples, and bananas. When he arrived at the cash register, he was surprised to see that the cashier was a monkey. The monkey smiled at Jack. Why is a monkey working at a supermarket? The monkey put the fruit into plastic bags. Then the monkey pointed to the computer screen and showed the total price. The fruit here is really expensive, Jack thought. The monkey at the cash register opened his hand toward Jack. Jack opened his wallet and put the money in the monkey's hand. The monkey smiled again and gave Jack his receipt. After that, the monkey took a banana from the plastic bags and started eating it. Jack was really surprised and angry about this. This is not good customer service. I think I have to go to a different supermarket. 1 week later, Jack was hungry again, and his fridge was empty. So he went to a different supermarket. This time, he had to buy some meat. He got beef, chicken, and steak. He walked to the cash register and was surprised again. The cashier was a dog. The dog barked, "Hello," and put the meat into plastic bags. Then the dog pointed to the computer screen and showed the total price. The prices are better here, Jack thought. I'm so happy I went to this supermarket. Jack put his credit card into the machine and paid for the meat. After he paid for the food, he saw the dog eating all the beef, chicken, and steak. Poor Jack. He was really upset. This is bad customer service. 1 week later, Jack had to go to the supermarket again. But he didn't want to go to the same places. What can I do? Where can I go? He thought about it for hours and hours. Then he had an idea. I will move out of the city and buy some land. I will have my own farm and I will grow my own food. I will be a farmer. After that, I will never have to go to the supermarket again.